Okay, so now we're going to graph this, but you're going to see that we have to complete the square first. So if that has a y, that has a y, that will stay. This does not have a y, this does not have a y, that will move. So we'll have y squared plus 8y on one side, negative 8x minus 8 on the other side. Remember, we're going to get the magic number to complete the square, which is the b term over 2 squared. In our case, it's 8 over 2 squared, which is 4 squared, which is 16. So I'm going to go plus 16 factor. So I'm going to have y plus 4 squared. This is negative 8x plus 8. I have to factor out the negative 8, so I'm left with x minus 1. This is how I get my p term. Remember that special p point? P is always that number divided by 4. So in our case, it's negative 2. And then because I have a y squared side, and that's negative, it's going to open this way. P is negative 2. It's going to go 1, 2. That will be your focus. 1, 2. That will be your directrix. So I'm going to go to my vertex, which is positive 1, negative 4. And then from positive 1, negative 4, I'm going to count 2. That will be the directrix. Count 2. That will be the focus. And then if this is an 8, split that into 2 parts. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total is 8. That's the lattice rectum. So it's going to open that way because it's to the negative numbers. Okay, and then, so my focus is here, which is negative 1, negative 4. And then the directrix goes through the x-axis at 3. Then the axis of symmetry goes, that's like through the center, where it cuts it in half. That would be, goes through the y-axis at negative 4. And then the endpoints of the lattice rectum are those. So that's negative 1, 0, and then negative 1, negative 8. And that's how you do that one.